A former cargador or porter of Carbon Public Market landed second place in the recent Mechanical Engineering Board exam. 24-year-old Mark Allen Armenion, a graduate of the University of Cebu, used to live in a Warwick barrack of Carbon Market, Barangay Ermita. He is the youngest of Maritas and Rene Armenion's 4 children. According to Mark, even at a very young age, he could still remember the financial challenges and difficulties their family went through. He said he would volunteer in lifting stocks to help their family's small business in the market, and so that he would have allowances to use in school.
Kung wala kay kwarta, nana, matura jud kong merkado yun. Kaya naman sa mga amiga kong mama dito sa public market nga magpahakot og tubig ba, karga tubig, nana, manuhol lang ba. So mora sa tukoy mo nga baon sad kato nga time. And pag high school na ako, same situation gyapon. Wag po'y pagbago ba, sige po nag-away kong parents gyapon. So lisod gyapon mi sa financial ato.
He said he wasn't an achiever in school at first. In fact, he failed several subjects during elementary and high school. It was when he reached the 3rd year of his secondary studies when a teacher trained him in math and he graduated high school with the Best in Math award.
So nahagbong na sa pag 3rd year. Kaya mo lagi, sa gikan mo ko sa Mandawi City Comprehensive niya. Wala ko isud-sud ba. So kung grado to, puros na 65. So advice na, gidrap na lang ko, tapos advice transfer school na lang gid.
He initially intended to take civil engineering, but since this was not offered at University of Cebu Lapu-Lapu Mandawi campus, he took mechanical engineering instead. He almost lost motivation in continuing his studies because of how his mother kept on borrowing money just to keep him in school. He urged him to apply for a scholarship and he then became a working scholar at UC.
So mato siya nga pag ni-transfer ko sa Antipolo National High School, and marag natoy teacher dito nga marag nakakita og potential sa ako ba sa math subject lang inoon to. Pero katang time sige ra jud ko katulog sa klase gyud, wala kay kanang wasay participation ba. Tapos na-discover lang ko sa ka-teacher si Sir Armenteros to nga marag na may potential ng bata. So dito ko marag nagsugod na pud, marag mo to ang turning point sa ako agad nga nagsugod kog excel sa pag-eskwela gid.
Even he was still studying, he already conditioned himself to top the board exams because of the cash incentives the school offers to its top-notchers, which would be a great help to his mother. Among the awards he received were the National Championship during the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineering Quiz Ball last 2018. He was also regional champion of Cebu School Athletic Foundation Incorporated or CESAFE and Math Quiz Ball champion in the year 2018 and 2019. He plans to build a house for his family soon as he would like to dedicate all of his success to them.
Ang main inspiration gid ani gid isang sacrifices gid sa akong parents gid. Kay makanhon na ko ba nga akong mama sige pangutang nanay grabe yang sacrifice pa sa kuha para lang makaskwela ko. Mas di na di ko ganahan mo skwela ko dato gud. Iya sabi kong ginapush siya bahala mo abot ra lang ng time ihatag ra na sa Ginoo.
This has been Sheriza Uy from my TV Cebu.